Bohemian Rhapsody. Today I wanted to do just a very quick video just to share another great thrift store find. I got this little belt. I love that it's almost out of a suede with this braided look. I think it was 50 cents at the thrift store, and I loved how it just was such a simple add-on to a gift just to finish it off and give it a kind of a unique look. So of course, because it's a neutral color, it could go with anything, but I often will go to my just plain packaging paper, which I love. And this belt wraps around here twice quite nicely, but the nice thing about it is because it doesn't really have notches in it, you just kind of put it right through the braid. You could make it fit, you know, a variety of sizes of gifts. And so I love this just in lieu of ribbon. So why not use a really cool belt like this? And again, like I say, I can tighten it really easily, and it just kind of fits right through the braids. And then you can adjust it to where you want that belt buckle landing. Probably a little bit more centered is better. So you can just kind of slide it to get it where you want it. And then all I would do to finish this off is literally just kind of pull it underneath, and that kind of would become the focal point of the gift. And I love how simple it is. I love that it maybe is a little bit on the masculine side, and yet this is probably a belt obviously worn by a female, but I love that it could kind of go either way. I probably wouldn't do much else to this. I would probably just leave it as is. I might just add a really neutral tag. You can pick these up in packages of 6 or 8 at the dollar store, and I often have these on hand. The other thing that's nice about them is you can actually use them as a tracer if you like to cut out a different pattern paper or another color or Bristol board, but I often will use these. So I probably would just add a plain tag to that, but I love this simple look. And so just kind of another tip when you're out there thrift shopping, don't forget to look for items that maybe aren't designed to be used for gift wrapping. They might have a totally other purpose, but don't limit yourself into just looking, you know, for ribbons and bows. Try to think outside of the box. Think about things that could work in lieu of the regular elements that we use. So I love this belt. It was a great purchase, and I think it's a perfect addition to any gift. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's quick tip, and I hope you'll visit Bohemian Rhapsody again. I'd love if you would subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share. Thanks so much. Have a great day.